Today, back to the topic today, we will show you around the headquarters of CreateLED and let you guys have a direct experience of who we are, what we are doing, and how's it going after the quarantine. Meeting this way, because generally speaking, everyone from CreateLED sales team should have been in every corner of the world speaking to you face to face directly. But anyway, this is what it is. All I want you guys to know is we will overcome this together and win this battle together. It has been a long and heavy ride with the guys, so there will be more things and projects we're gonna work together for sure. Today, back to the topic today, we will show you around the headquarters of CreateLED and let you guys have a direct experience of who we are, what we are doing, and how's it going after the quarantine. I would like to thank you in advance for your patience and tolerance on my imperfection and unprofessional behavior, since this is my first time being a YouTuber as well. So, you ready for the journey? Let's go. Every day